Functional morphemes. Free morphemes fall into two categories. Lexical morpheme that carry the meaning of the morpheme, and functional morpheme that function in a sentence. They do some grammatical function in a sentence. Functional morphemes, for example, are and, conjunction, but it can be conjunction too, when, adverbial, because, adverbial, on, preposition, near, above, in, the, article, that, it, them, pronouns, etc. So functional morphemes fall into these type of category words. Functional morphemes function to specify the relationship between one lexical morpheme and another lexical morpheme. For example, if we say to the bazaar, so the functional morpheme to is giving us the direction of the place where we are going. Similarly, the book of English, so the preposition of is giving the relationship of English with the book. So the functional morphemes in the language fall in the word classes as conjunction, join two words, preposition, give direction or other things, articles, specifiers, pronouns, make references to previous nouns, auxiliary verbs, help and tense, modals, shows subjects, attitude, on quantifiers, show quantity of a thing. So a functional morpheme simply modifies the meaning of the word rather than supplying the root meaning of the word. So they do not have a meaning of their own separately. When we take in, I mean, it doesn't have much meaning into it. Similarly, of or etc. But when they are combined, used into words in a certain relationship, then they do have meaning. So simply modifies the meaning of the word rather than when we say modify, it means that they describe the meaning of other words, right? It encodes grammatical meanings. So functional morphemes encodes grammatical meaning, the meaning that basically give us some sense of grammar, about the tense, about certain aspect of the grammatical functions in a or syntactic function in a sentence. The girls entered the classroom, right? So the word, the morpheme the, which is an article, is specifying the girl, and similarly the classroom also, the same article is specifying the classroom, right? So they are having some grammatical function. They are closed class words. It means that no new word generally enters into it, and rarely a word gets out of this list. We have seen that thou or thee, they were the words they were the pronouns once, but these are the pronouns which are not now used in English language. But we do not find any word of this class which has entered in recent years in English language. So new functional morphemes cannot normally be coined. So as I said, that new functional morphemes are not coined. They have certain grammatical function in a sentence, and they keep performing their functions, and they carry little meaning into them. And like lexical morphemes which have meaning in and of themselves, they don't have meaning like this. They give meaning when they are attached to other lexical words.